What's going on, everyone? Corey Foulem, your car guy here. For today's video, I will be showing you how to unlock a Theftlock Delco radio for GM vehicles from the mid-90s to the mid-2000s. It's pretty much the same thing as the Chevrolet, GMC, and Pontiac radios that look similar to this. They both can be CD or tape players. They all have the same procedure. The CD player is equipped. You will know that the Theftlock is enabled if you try to turn on the radio and it just says LOC on the display and the radio won't turn on. What this means is it wants you to enter a code in order to make the radio work. Now let's go over the steps. Part 2 of 4, retrieve your radio's serial number. Now step 1, Step 1, turn on the ignition, turn the key to accessory mode or on mode. Now turn on the radio and press the power button to turn on the radio, and then you'll see it says LOC on your radio display. If your radio displays any functions such as playing a CD, cassette, or a radio station, your radio is not locked. If no sound is heard, you may need to replace your radio unit. And now, if you want to get the code, you push the preset buttons 2 and 3 together at the same time and hold it there for 8 to 10 seconds, and then the code should pop up on the display. For example, we got our code 822, the one just got popped up, and then you just push the AM/FM button, and then you get your second set of numbers, 832 for example, and then write it down. Write down 822. After you press the AM/FM button, got your second number, write down 832. That was my number, for example, 822 and 832. And this is all we need to do at this point at the radio. So next, you need to find a telephone. Now, step 1, contact the GM radio hotline. Once you've found the telephone, call the toll-free number at the bottom of the screen. The number is 1-800-537-5140. That's 1-800-537-5140. This is the phone number for the GM dealership support line for Delco Electronics or Delco Radios. You don't need to talk to anybody, it's just a recording. Now once you dial the phone number and you hear the recording star, enter one of the 6-digit codes at the bottom of the screen, followed by the star key. Now what these codes represent is the GM dealership identification number that you're calling from. Not just anybody you're supposed to call this number, it's supposed to be a dealer, so these are the dealer codes. If one of them doesn't work, hang up and try again with another one. So, we'll start out.
GM dealers with Delco radio only, enter your division digit. Chevrolet 1, Pontiac 2, Oldsmobile 3, Buick 4, GMC 5, Cadillac 6, Canada 7. Saturn with Delco radios only, years 91 through 99, 8, followed by a dealer code, then asterisk. All others enter your authorization code, followed by asterisk.
And then you just enter the GM dealership identification number, and then press star.
Thank you. Enter the 4 or 6-digit display code, followed by an asterisk.
So now you're going to enter the 2 sets of 3-digit numbers from the radio. For example, I got my code. Mine is 822, 832, and then press the star key.
The 4-digit radio unlock code is 1032. Repeat, 1032. If you need another unlock code, enter the display code followed by an asterisk. If not, thank you for calling Delphi Delco Electronic Systems.
And then you just simply hang up. Now that you've obtained your unlock code, you need to enter it into your radio. And that's how you get the code to your radio. Now you just go back to your radio, and then I'll show you how to unlock it. Step 1, Now back out at the radio, you need to enter the code that the nice gentleman on the phone gave you. For example, I got my code. The code is 1032. Because the last number is the 2, you ignore that and we're just going to enter the 103 in the display. Now switch on the radio, turn your ignition on, and press the radio power button. Your radio will display LOC. Now enter the first 2 digits of the radio code, which is on step 2. To enter the code, you use the hour and minute buttons. Again, this is the same on the Pontiac or the Chevrolet radios. On these radios, the hour minutes are down here. So press the hour key on the radio, or the hour button on the radio, to enter the first 2 numbers of your radio unlock code. Continue pressing the button repeatedly until the first 2 digits of the radio unlock code are displayed. Now, number 3, enter the last 2 digits of the unlock code. Now press the minute key or the minute button until the last two digits of the radio unlock code are displayed. Repeatedly press until they match the 2 digits you need. Number 4, confirm the code. When the code matches, it says 103, which matches the code. I have the code 103. And after that, you just press the AM/FM button, and it says SEC will display on the radio. You'll see that it says SEC, and it will display on your radio. It's indicating a successful attempt to enter your radio code. And then you just press the power button, and it works. And there you have it, folks. And that's how you enter, or that's how you unlock a GM Delco Theftlock Radio. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and then be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos. And remember, leave a like, subscribe, favorite, and if you want to check out my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram page, they were both linked in the description, so you can easily find them, and then you can check out my other videos. Take care. Have a good day.